Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Gas, and today I'm back with another tutorial, man. Y'all have been rocking with the tutorials lately, so I had to bring y'all another one. I appreciate all the love, but today we're going to be covering that Pluggnb. I haven't done a Pluggnb tutorial yet, so I decided to give y'all some of that sauce. Today we're going to be covering like something that you would hear on Nothing More, Nothing Less, what we have, just like that classic Goyxrd, Summrs, Desire type of sound. Jumping right into it, I got this Suitcase EP sound out of XRX keyboards. Let's just lay down a chord progression real quick. Alright, I finally finished up that chord progression. This is how it sounds. Typical sounding Pluggnb chord progression. Basically, all I did was I just started here. I always start like this. I put my bass note. It doesn't matter where the bass note is, but then from there I go up 4 semitones, up 3, up 4, up 3, just like that, and then you got yourself a ninth chord. And from there it's just trial and error. I go a little more in depth with the chord progressions and how I make them in my last tutorial, the Texaco Nico East tutorial, so if y'all want to go check that one out. But other than that, with this chord progression, I just strum the notes by putting Alt S and then playing with this knob, and then y'all can see it's like a little bit off the grid. And other than that, I just randomize velocities by doing Alt R, and then you can play with these knobs just like that. And you can see down here the velocities are randomized, and that's just so it doesn't sound so robotic. So I just went into Xenology, got this soft pad 1 preset, turned it down a bit, and then I just copied the same chord progression over. Sounds pretty much the same, but I'll let y'all hear it. Now we go and get a lead. But I just grabbed this butter lead out of Surge and made this pattern. This is what it sounds like. Next lead sound, got the classic Goyxrd PW for President lead out of Purity. This shit's just classic Pluggnb. I'm gonna let the little melody play out. Another pretty simple lead. I got the mini Rick lead out of Purity with this really simple pattern, just playing with the octaves, and I'll let y'all hear how it sounds. And now I think it's time for the strings. Alright, electric guitar, Les Paul lead in X-Band, pretty simple pattern, just this like slotted up E note and then an A, and then I duplicated that over to the next 4 bars and put the A up an octave. This is how it sounds. Next, another signature Goyxrd sound. I got this Christmas time bell out of D50 and just had a pretty simple pattern, just a descending 4-note sort of thing. Had that repeated in every 2 bars, and this is what it sounds like. Let's move on to the drums, man. drum bounce is there, man. I'm not gonna lie, this kind of sounds like a Summrs beat, you feel me? Now I think it's time for the 808. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, arrangement pretty simple this time around. I got a 16 bar hook and then 24 bar verse here. I switch up the 808. I use the Goyxrd 808 in the hook, and then I switch it up to this Pink Grills. Hold on, where is it? This Pink Grills Pluggnb 808. And that's gonna be the beat, man. I appreciate y'all watching this far. If you enjoyed or you learned something, make sure you hit that like button, sub if you haven't already, and leave a comment, man. Let me know how I did. And also, if you want to see any type of tutorial for any type of style, any artist, any producer, just let me know in the comments. I'd be more than happy to do whatever. I appreciate y'all so much. Thank you for all the support. And if you want to hear the beat without my fat ass talking over it, a link will be in the description. So thank y'all so much. I appreciate y'all. It's been gas. I'm out.